Good morning, guys. It is December 28th. I got out of work about an hour ago and now I'm going to fill out some paperwork. There's paperwork that I need to have turned in at the end of January so I can stay certified for my job and all that. So I'm going to start doing that today. I need to schedule a TB test and that's what I'm going to do right now. Later I'm going to get myself ready and then I'm going to start filming some videos because I have not filmed any videos since before Christmas. So so I'm literally just taking a little break because I wanted to spend time with my family. We had a big family celebration for Christmas. Like, my whole family went except my one brother that doesn't really speak to anyone, so that's one thing on itself. But everybody else came and it was really fun. And we're also going to fill out my new planner because it's January. Like, literally this week it's gonna be January. So let's get started, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? I don't know. So today is July 3rd. January 3rd, 2022. It is my dad's birthday. My dad passed away 7 years ago. Oh my gosh. Has it really been 7 years? And it's his birthday, so I'm trying to make the most of it. I'm gonna get ready later and do a bunch of work, but right now I am making my cash envelopes because I am starting my new budget slash savings journey. So I'm getting my life together in this video. I am getting my life together in this video. Okay, it is July. Why do I keep saying July? It's January 6th. I've just been in a really bad mood lately. Also, well, I wouldn't even say like bad mood. I've just been in a funk where I'm just like, I'm getting sick now. Obviously now I'm getting sick now that I want to film a video, but that's great. But I'm gonna film today. I need to be productive. It's January 6th and I've done like half of the stuff I need to do to be productive, but I have not filmed a video at all. So that's great. I'm getting a nose ring. You can't even see it. Here it is. It's going to, I think it's black. Yeah, it's like a matte black. And yeah, I'm gonna put a nose ring in. I haven't had a nose ring in like 2 months because I've been sick with a sinus infection. My last sinus infection was just and then like I put my nose ring in like 2 weeks and then it got stuck on my pillow. Like my pillow is like a memory foam slash gel pillow, so it's really nice. But when you take the pillow sheet off, it's like a net, so it got stuck. Also, my whole desk is a mess and my makeup desk is a mess. So I hope that this is a long video. So yeah, hope you guys stick around and get my life together with me on this new year reset because I need it. And I've been binging TV shows on HBO Max and not eating good. As you can see, I have pimples, which is not good. All my friends have COVID. Literally 4 out of like 10 people that I know have COVID. So, okay, that doesn't sound bad, but it really is. I had one that just got over it, 3 that have it now, and yeah, it's insane. I thought I had COVID. I took a COVID test yesterday, but I don't. It's just a sinus infection and it's coming back. So I'm gonna put this in. Do I have a mirror? Also, we are going to pick up a sliding door that we bought on Facebook Marketplace. Ow. Okay, that didn't hurt as bad, but this nose ring is huge. She might be a little too big, but maybe this is what I need for now. Actually, no, I like it, so. Well, alright guys, so I don't even know what in the rat's tail is going on. I'm sick now. I've officially caught it. I think I got a sinus infection again. or just the common cold. I did an at-home COVID test the day before yesterday on Thursday, and it's negative, so I need to wait at least like 2 more days before I can check it again, because now I have a sinus infection. I think I just took some ibuprofen. Hopefully that kicks in soon. I just am so congested again right here, and it hurts so bad. My throat so raspy, my voice is raspy. And I just have an itchy throat. So I've literally been drinking orange juice all day and sitting on the couch watching Hulu. So I did not get any filming done like I wanted to, which I'm kind of upset about, because I really did want to film, but I'm not looking okay. So I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready for bed, because I have to go to work tomorrow. Hopefully this medicine will work for tomorrow, because I cannot take a day off. I cannot take a day off. I do not get paid for any days off, so, and I already have 1 day that I took off this week, so that's not fun. It's not fun. So I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. This video is not going as planned because I'm sick, and you can probably tell. I just took some allergy medication this morning, and I'm still so congested. Like, my headache is starting to come back, which is not good. So I can't really film anything like I wanted to this weekend. I took the day off today, which was Friday, which sucks because I really needed the money, but I don't want to be spreading it to anyone, so gotta do what you gotta do, you know. But I am going to show you what I got. I ordered, oh my gosh, yes, I just look so horrible, sorry guys. I ordered shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty. This is not sponsored. They did not get a hold of me at all. I paid for it with my own money, which is a bunch, which is a lot. I even had a code, and here's the thing. Even with whatever promo code they had going on during Christmas, this still was like $60. So the code did not cancel anything out, so I'm really upset about it. But like, I could not go and cancel it because it literally went through, and the next day it was like being shipped. So I'm kind of annoyed about that. Don't really like that about Function of Beauty. Yeah, so I ordered a shampoo, which is mint green, and then the conditioner, which is a really pretty banana yellow. It's like a pale banana yellow, and I just think they are so pretty. And what I like about it is it says Function of, and then it has your name. So I did Kourttney, so it says Function of Kourttney on here. Oh, by the way, these are frozen because they've been in my mailbox for 2 days. So they are vegan, cruelty-free, and all that. So what I got, my shampoo conditioner, I got straight plus fine plus dry. And my goals, I did deep condition, hydrate, lengthen, replenish hair, and strengthen. And fragrance, I did eucalyptus and a medium scent. So what I'm also sad about, or disappointed, is that it didn't come with a pump, and I could not find the pumps online. So I'm wondering if you had to buy a pump separately on like Amazon or something. So that was something. I just took the cap off, and I could smell the eucalyptus, and it smells so good. Although I'm congested, I can still smell it. Eucalyptus, I think that's how you say it. If not, guys, please don't kill me. Also, I'm sick. The scent is pretty strong, and I like it. I'm glad I didn't do strong. This medium scent is, like, the powerness to it is pretty good. So that smells so good. So yeah, I'm gonna try this shampoo and conditioner out tonight, and I'll let you guys know later in the vlog. Oh, Oh, they also gave you some stickers. That's pretty cute. Yeah. But yeah, it's supposed to be really good for your hair. You guys, if you're on YouTube a lot, you've probably seen so many sponsorships of this, and I decided to try it out. So I'm excited to try this, but just a few disappointments with this order. So yeah. So let me know if you guys have ordered from Functional Beauty and what code you use, because $60 is expensive for this. Like, this is the same size as the Walmart brand shampoo conditioner that I get, which is $6 each. So yeah, let me know. My head hurts so bad. I think my medicine is wearing off. I also want to share with you guys, I made a purchase from Bath & Body Works. Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. And I decided to stock up on some things. I've been waiting for the sales, and I know springtime is coming around quickly with Bath & Body Works. They like changed their season so early. So I picked up 2 winter candy apple candles. These are my favorite for Christmas time. I love this scent. It is so pretty. It smells so clean. Love it so much. So I got 2 of these. I have one downstairs already. And then I also stocked up on my winter candy apple body wash. I'm not really a fan of buying body wash from like Bath & Body Works, but during quarantine, when I got one of these for Christmas, I think it was for Christmas, I fell in love with this scent, and I loved this scent so much. We literally made this winter candy apple last all year round until next Christmas so that I could stock up on these. It was insane. Like, I loved this so much. So I decided to stock up on 3 of them because they had a deal that was like body products were $3.75 or something. So I picked them up, and they are originally $13.50. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I have one in my shower right now, and now I have some backups. That's my little haul for this part of the video. We are actually going outside now to shovel our driveway, and yeah, I'm not too excited about that, but I gotta get myself up and running because I'm sick, and when I just sit down all day and do nothing, I stay sick. So I just need to keep moving so that I don't stay sick. I don't know. That's just my logic. I know I look so horrible. My congestion is just too much right now. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this vlog. I know my voice sounds horrible, but I wanted to get something filmed today. Yeah, so tomorrow is Saturday. I have to go into town and do some work modules so I can get certified again. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go outside and shovel our driveway. I will probably catch up with you guys later today, I hope. If not, tomorrow morning on Saturday.